Hey guys, so I'm making this video again. In the last video, I forgot the introduction and I made a mistake. And I didn't realize it. So I'm gonna sing this song again. It's only about that song. Okay. Wait a minute. I need to put that in the middle. It's in the middle. Well, here. Yeah. And now there is too much introduction. It has already been 1 minute. And I didn't even start the song. So here we go, guys. It's raining tacos from the sky. Choco. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. On the street, tacos. On candy, lettuce and shells, cheese and it's raining tacos. Yum, 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 and yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 and yum. Like sour cream. Shell, me, lettuce, cheese, shell, lettuce, cheese, shell, me, cheese. It's raining tacos. Ooh, raining tacos. Ooh, raining tacos. Ooh, it's raining tacos. Ooh, it's raining tacos. Ooh, raining tacos. Ooh, raining tacos. Ooh, it's raining tacos. But I hope I didn't make any mistakes this time. So bye. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Make sure to get this video to 20,000 likes. But I forgot to switch this thing off. It's still listening to me. Now stop. Yay! It's not listening to me. Yes, not listening to me. Let's just start it off. Done.